Hey guys, it's Bella Poarch. Today I'll be showing you guys how I do my skincare routine and how I do my classic Bella look. My first step is cleanser. My next step is to put vitamin C on my face. I feel like vitamin C is so important. And then I use the Tatcha moisturizer. This is my favorite. It doesn't really leave my skin oily. SPF. Sunscreen is so important too. And throughout the day, keep applying. Growing up in the Philippines, my mom didn't really give me any skincare tips. I have like aunts and like aunties that would tell me like, oh, use like sunscreen. Now that I'm done with my skincare routine, my first step for my makeup is foundation. I use this by Morphe. I just take like one pump. It's been like a crazy year for me. I downloaded TikTok last year around January for fun because my friends were like recommending it. I grew up with watching anime. The girls in the anime, they have like really like rosy cheeks, and that's how I got inspired to do like my rosy pink cheeks on TikTok. Whenever I wear it out in public, people would ask me, is your face burnt or did you get like sunburn? And I'm like, no, it's makeup. But I think it's really cute. When I did the M to the B video last year, and it was like my TikTok that went viral, I woke up the next day and it had like 1 million likes. I was still in shock because I was like, oh my gosh, that's a lot of likes. My next step is concealer. I use NARS concealer. I just put it under my eyes, just a little bit, just like that. My next step is my eyebrows. I use Benefit. The difference between like Philippine makeup and the US makeup is that Philippines, they don't really like foundation or like really thick makeup. And I noticed they like to put like the middle part of your lips, like make it like reddish pink. That's basically like the look. Growing up, I wasn't allowed to wear makeup in school. So like all my friends have like lipstick on and they have like eyeliner, and I wasn't allowed to. So I was always jealous. Okay, so the next step is I use this bronzer by Charlotte Tilbury. I really like it. I've been using it for a while now. First, I start off with like my cheeks. I like to like contour my nose. I just use like my finger. It matches my skin pretty well. That's all what I do for the contour and the bronzer. Next, I'm gonna do my lips, and I get this from Charlotte Tilbury, and it's Pillow Talk. It's like one of my favorite lip liners. So as you can see, my upper lip is like darker than my bottom lip. My Filipino friends have like the same, and they always hated it. They're like, how do I get like just pink upper lip? Because it's like a Filipino thing, I guess. I feel like you just gotta embrace like where you're from. And I came to the United States when I was like 14, and I got bullied a lot, and yeah, so many bad experiences I went through in high school just because of what I look like. I feel like it still happens a lot, and it needs to be like talked about more, because it's not okay to like bully people because of where they came from or what they look like. Even if after I graduated high school, I still had like my high school bullies just bullying me on my Instagram posts. I feel proud of myself for just believing in myself and getting this far in my life. My next step is lipstick, and this is my favorite from Gucci. I couldn't afford this probably like a year ago. I'm just so grateful now that I can afford these like things, and I'm very grateful. I want to make everyone proud, and especially Philippines, like that's my home. Now we have the blush. A lot of people ask me what I use and how I do my classic M to the B Bella sunburn look. The trick to it is you put it not too close to like your under your eyes and make it look like you just got sunburn. A lot of people use makeup brushes for like their entire face. I feel like sometimes it's good to use like your fingers, because you can control how much you put in it, and then you can make it look natural. To make it look so much better, don't forget to like put concealer just so it can lighten up in this part. Just put a little bit on top of like your nose bridge, and then exaggerate more, put more in these areas. Next step, highlighter. You notice like in my M to the B video, my face is kind of like glowy and like very shiny. It's because of the highlighter. First I put it on my finger, and then I put it on the tip of my nose. And then you put it on your chin too, to make it look shiny, cute. Put a little bit on the cheeks. Now you guys know how to do it. I use this for like my eye makeup and everything. This is literally the only brush. And so I just put some like right here. So now last thing, I'm gonna brush out my eyelash extensions. So this is what I use for my hair, and you can like control the temperature. And I don't want to go too hot because I have like really thin hair. In the military, I had to do my hair every morning, and I have to put it in a bun, and I can do it in like 2 minutes. If it doesn't look perfect, then my petty officers would just tell me, redo your hair. I don't want to do that. The military also taught me how to be like a perfectionist, because everything has to be perfect. And after I straighten my hair, I just like grab the 2 strands. This is the look. Thank you guys so much for watching.